My name is Ishat. I am the founder of SunRoof. SunRoof is the world's first lighting technology that can bring in the experience and the benefits of daylight absolutely anywhere. We see that there are so many spaces in real estate, in houses, offices, retail showrooms, hospitals, where there are no windows. There's no source of natural light. And that makes it very dull and depressing. With that problem, we engineered the world's first innovation that can bring that same experience of natural light inside any space. So whether it's an office, a home, a retail experience, a hospital, a cafe, a foyer inside a home, a bathroom, you can get that natural light feeling inside any room. One of the most remarkable features of the sunroof is that it changes its colors and brightness automatically throughout the day to match the same intensity and the color outside with the real sky. So that tags into your geolocation, that gives you the circadian cycle and the circadian benefits of natural light indoors.
How did you got into this concept, sir?
So in fact, my spiritual master, he said that all five nature's elements, Mother Nature has five elements: earth, water, fire, air, ether. Every five of them, except for one, has been monetized, which is fire. That's the only source, the only element in nature that's not been monetized. And in our Vedas, in our scriptures, it's mentioned that sun is the giver of health and happiness. And he said that we are moving away from sunlight. We're moving away from natural light, and that's going to make us very sad. You see that in Scandinavia, where there's no sunlight for 6 months of the year. People actually have a disease called SAD, seasonal affective disorder. So sunlight affects your mood, your spirit, your positivity levels a lot. So he said that bring sunlight indoors, bring the positivity of sunlight indoors to bring happiness into people's lives. Since then, we started chasing this mission.
So, how do you customize for already existing, which is already a dark? Suppose I
Correct.
have a place which is completely dark. So,
Correct.
How do you customize you? What are they?
The size is completely customizable according to your space. We make the size, it's a grid format. Everywhere you see, it's a common grid of rectangles. We can make it bigger or smaller depending on the size of the room that you have.
So, what type of customers do you target for this concept?
Mainly, we are working with a lot of architects, interior designers, builders, developers, people who are making their new home, their new office, a new retail experience center, a showroom of any sort. It could be clothing, it could be any sort of a retail. Like in a mall, you see that there is so many malls where there is no windows again. So that is again our end customer.
So, what are the branches? Is the only first branches? This one?
This is not the first branch. We have a collaborative showroom with our parent company in Delhi and Gurgaon. We also have in Surat, in Mohali. We are very soon coming in Hyderabad in the next 1 month, and Bangalore is our most recent inauguration.
Any expansion in Bangalore?
100%, because real estate is developing and booming like ever in Bangalore, and people are very health conscious here. People value their wellness and their health, and Sunroof really aligns to their consciousness and their psyche of having the benefits of daylight. So that's why we are here.
Okay, can you tell me why do people want to come to this sunroof? What benefit will get? What expect?
Yeah, so the first thing that you'll see is that you'll immediately feel more positive, because scientifically, serotonin in the body is released, and that makes you feel more positive. That makes you feel a lot more alert, a lot more joyful. So that's the more energized as well. That's the immediate effect that you'll see when you spend more time in the sunroof.
Thank you. So your direct.
So that's anybody who's, like I said, commercial, residential, hospitality, across cafes, restaurants. It could be anybody who's making a new space and has a roof but no natural light.